Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Financial Express newspaper headlines. So, first of all, calculated attack on India, says Adani. Next, downgrades hit India INC in quarter 3. Next, in only 2 of last 10 budgets, markets show more volatility. Next, curbing imports from China, India in it for long haul. Next, preference for Google apps may continue. Next, Spiny looks to turn profitable in 2024. Then I comes to page number 2 in economy section under that. PM chairs Council of Ministers meet ahead of budget. Next, most delayed projects are in highways sector. Next, IOC begins export of aviation gasoline. Next, EPFO to overhaul pension scheme to make it viable. Next, curbing imports from China, India in it for long haul. Next, eye on resilient supply chains. Next, attracting private capital for national infra pipeline. Then I comes to page number 3 in economy section under that. Government sets norms for open market sale of rice by FCI. Next, realistic CPSC stake sale goal likely in budget. Next, Adani risk clouds Wall Street's India bet. Next, G20 education working group meeting to focus on inclusivity. Next, PM Techade dream will be fulfilled by innovators. On page number 4 in company section under that, semiconductor vows to continue Maruti CFO. Next, global demand for optical fiber strong. Next, Omega shaky mobility to set up 2 plants. Next, Lamborghini upbeat on sales in India. Next, Android policy change. Google apps like unlikely to face market loss. Next, India quotient cuts cost, brings down team size. Next, NCLAT to take up Google Play today. Next, startup section under that. This startup ensures loans at a click for small businesses. Next, taking portable heart care to masses. On page number 5 in that company section, Verde Partners eyes micros pockets in real estate. Next, Go First gets rupees 210 crore government push. Next, Spiny looks to turn profitable by 2024. Next, Bajaj Auto gets Brazil boost with Dominar. On next, Mongolia 67 years of bilateral relation with India. Next, in that Mongolia and India long historical ties. On page number 6 in opinion section under that, boosting exports. Next, the health insurance push. Next, should India have top up taxes? Next, post subsidy path to agri export growth. On page number 7 in personal finance section under that, passive ELSS funds offer tax savings at a lower cost. Next, asset allocation quilt, figuring out the winners. Next, sale proceeds from flat have to be disclosed in ITR. Next, 4 tips to get the best out of your RD accounts. Next, a golden chance to raise funds. On page number 8 in investor section under that, Tata Motors quarter 3 margins improve across segments. Next, Embassy REIT stable performance. Next, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories to invest in branded markets. Next, teachers must shift focus from active to interactive learning. Next, focus on design education. Next, education budget unlikely to increase. On page number 9 in brand wagon section under that, can the Women Premier League hit the ball out of the park? Next, wheels of change. Next, Moto Bahan. Next, a metal can propel the future of mobility. Next, VECV to focus on all possible drivetrains. On page number 10, EFE section under that, gigafactories will rewrite the playbook. Next, recycling market to be a billionaire dollar opportunities by 2030. Next, new age banking hinges on tech. Next, Cropin's farm digitalization app on Amazon Cloud. Next, gadget section under that, reading made easier and more fun. Next, a good extra screen for work and play. On page number 12 in market and economy section under that, NSE largest derivatives exchange in CY 2022. Next, surge over previous year. Next, the Hindus treaty and troubled waters. Next, Three levels of dispute resolution. Next, the present dispute and why India has issued a notice seeking modification of the treaty. Next, FPI's take out rupees 17,000 crores so far in Jan. Next, FinCare confident of keeping pace with loan growth. On page number 14, in that Sunak Sheikh's party chief Zahawi over tax affairs. Next, demand for non-tech jobs grows. Report. Next, US to receive H-1B visa application from March 1. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.